Welcome to our channel. If you want to purchase Bitcoin using Cash App, follow these step-by-step instructions to safely buy and manage your cryptocurrency investment. Step 1. Open the Cash App on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Step 2. Verify your identity by providing your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is required for cryptocurrency purchases. Step 3. Once verified, tap the Investing tab at the bottom of the screen, which looks like a line graph icon. Step 4. Scroll through the list of available cryptocurrencies and select Bitcoin to view its current price and market performance. Step 5. Tap the Buy button and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can enter either a dollar amount or a specific amount of Bitcoin. Step 6. Review the purchase details, including the current Bitcoin price, any applicable fees, and the total cost. Cash App charges a small service fee for Bitcoin transactions. Step 7. Confirm your purchase by tapping Confirm or using your PIN or biometric authentication. The Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App account immediately. Step 8. To view your Bitcoin holdings, return to the Investing tab. You can track your investment's performance, sell Bitcoin, or withdraw it to an external wallet at any time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.